Hello everyone. Welcome to this information session for OECM's Customs Brokerage and Related Services Agreement. My name is Ali Ahari and I'm a Customer Relationship Manager at OECM. This video will serve as a good introduction to this agreement and how to get started leveraging the single awarded supplier. We'll start off by providing some background about the agreement and an overview of the sourcing process in awarding this project. Then we'll talk about the awarded supplier partner and the various services that are available through the agreement. And then towards the end, we'll share the contact information of ourselves and the supplier should you have any questions or need more information. Moving right into the background and project overview. The objective of this retendered project is to establish an agreement with one or more suppliers for the provision of customs brokerage and related services. The supplier will provide customs brokerage and related services for customers' shipments, which may contain perishable goods, live animals, hazardous materials, lab supplies, lab equipment, and/or other time-sensitive goods, including but not limited to Canadian Customs Brokerage Services, U.S. Customs Brokerage Services, professional services, and other services. Before getting into details, I would like to pause and thank the Project Advisory Committee that helped us capture requirements as well as important aspects of this agreement. OECM forms a Project Advisory Committee for each of our agreements, and these committees are comprised of members from across various sectors of the Ontario public sector, including the education sector, as well as municipalities, healthcare, and other BPS organizations. For the Customs Brokerage and Related Services Agreement, Western University, York Region District School Board, and York University provided us with valuable feedback and assisted us in forming the procurement strategy, scope, and requirements. Once again, thank you so much. So with respect to the sourcing process, OECM conducts procurements in an open, fair, transparent, and competitive manner. All OECM procurements, including this agreement, are compliant with the trade agreements and the BPS procurement directive, as well as the interim measures of the supply chain centralization initiative. OECM's end-to-end sourcing process goes from RFP planning at the project inception all the way to agreement management once the suppliers have been awarded. For this particular agreement, we started doing research during the planning stage, we conducted supplier consultations, analyzed the spend and market trends, consulted with customers, and all of that was to get a deep understanding of how to establish an agreement that met the needs of the customers. This RFP was posted on Ontario's Tenders Portal, or OTP, on October 26, 2022, and closed on November 28, 2022. Once the RFP closed, the submissions received were evaluated by our Project Advisory Committee. And finally, after evaluations, we awarded the agreement to one supplier. For more detailed information, please refer to the RFP sourcing process summary on our website for this agreement. The agreement is effective as of February 2nd, 2023, with an initial term of 3 years, so the current expiry is February 1st, 2026. I do want to note that OECM does have the option to extend the agreement for an additional period of up to 2 years. In terms of pricing, the rates are firm for the first year of the agreement. The supplier may request a rate refresh on the anniversary date of the master agreement and every anniversary thereafter. OECM will vet the supplier's submissions and make a thorough decision based on a number of factors with the goal to always minimize the impact to our customers. So now, we'll go over some of the details of this agreement with our awarded supplier partner. The customs brokerage and related services requirements include, but is not limited to, the new make payments and view posted transactions through the CBSA Assessment and Revenue Management, also known as the CARM portal, and also new is to provide electronic declarations to Canada Border Services agencies through the Single Window Initiative, or SWI. Also included is base Canadian Customs Brokerage Services and base U.S. Customs Brokerage Services, flexible and customizable reporting and billing that is tailored to your needs, advanced technologies, including the Border Tracks app, rigorous quality control processes eliminating costly errors, and expedited clearance customs brokerage services related to the import and export of shipments to and from Canada and United States. The supplier awarded on this agreement is Thompson Ahern and Co. Limited. And that brings us to the end of this video. We've gone over some background about the project and services available through the agreement with our awarded supplier partner. And I hope this video was helpful in providing a good introduction to our customs brokerage and related services agreement. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact OECM's customer support team. We're available Monday to Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. You can send us an email at customersupport@oecm.ca or give us a call at 1-844-632-6900. Alternatively, you can also contact our supplier directly. Their contact information is up on your screen as well as through the OECM website. Thank you once again for watching this video.